Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is x plus y is equal to 2, x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 82. To find the values of x and y's from these two systems of equations. Now this equation, we call this equation 1 and this we call equation 2. Then from equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 2, in the first step we will square in both sides. So the square of x plus y, it is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 2 square, it is 4. Then we take this 2xy into the right side. So it will be this x square plus y square is equal to 4. We take 2xy into this side, it will be minus 2xy. So this we call this equation 3. Then in the next step, from equation 1 again, which is x plus y is equal to 2. In the first step, we square in both sides. Now into this step, we will power by 3 in both sides. Then the power of 3 of x plus y, it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 plus 3x square y plus 3xy square is equal to 2 power 3, it is 8. Then in the next step, it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 plus, in here 3xy is common, so we take 3xy out of bracket. This divided by this is x plus this divided by this is y, bracket is equal to 8. Then from here, x plus y is from the first equation, whereas x plus y it is 2. So in here we'll substitute 2. Then it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 plus 3xy, then times x plus y, it is 2, is equal to 8. Then in the next step, it will be x power 3 plus y power 3, then plus 2 times 3xy, it is 6xy, is equal to 8. Then we take this 6xy into this side, so it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 8 minus 6xy. So this we call this equation 4. Then in the next step, we'll take equation 3, we multiply by equation 4. So as we can get this x power 5 plus y power 5. Now in the equation 3, in the left side, it is x square plus y square. So it will be here x square plus y square bracket times bracket equation 4 in the left side, it is x power 3 plus y power 3 bracket is equal to equation 3 in the right side, it is 4 minus 2xy. So here 4 minus 2xy bracket times bracket equation 4 in the right side, it is 8 minus 6xy bracket. Then from here, it will be x square times x power 3, it is x power of 5, then plus x square times y power 3, it is x square y power 3, then plus y square times x power 3, it is x power 3 y square, then plus y square times y power 3, it is y power of 5, then is equal to this, we write the same, which is 4 minus 2xy bracket 8 minus 6xy bracket. Then in the next step, it will be x power 5 plus this y power 5. So x power 5 plus y power of 5, then plus, in here and here, x square y square is common, so we take out of bracket x square y power 3 divided by x square y square. Or we'll start by this x power of 3 y square divided by x square y square. This divided by this is x plus this divided by this, it is y bracket, then is equal to this 4 minus 2xy bracket 8 minus 6xy bracket. Then in the next step, in here, x power 5 plus y power 5, it is from equation 2, which is x power 5 plus y power 5 is 82. So in here we'll substitute 82, then plus x square y square is same as x y bracket square, then times x plus y is from equation 1, which is this 2. So from x plus y here we multiply by 2 is equal to, in here it is this, we write the same 4 minus 2x xy bracket, then bracket 8 minus 6xy bracket. Then from here and here 2 is common, so we'll take 2 out of bracket. 82 divided by 2 is 41 plus this 2 divided by 2, it will be 1 times this, so it will be xy bracket square, then bracket is equal to, because we take here 2 out of bracket, also in here we'll take 2 out of bracket, so it will be this, which is 4 minus 2xy bracket, then in here we'll take 2 out of bracket. 2 out of bracket, 8 divided by 2 is 4, then minus 6xy divided by 2, it will be minus 3xy bracket. Then in the next step, here 2 and here 2, so this and this will cancel. Then it will be this, which is 41 plus xy bracket square is equal to 4 minus 2xy bracket 4 minus 3xy bracket. Then in the next step, in here xy is common, so we'll let's say u is equal to xy. So in here it will be 41 plus u square, then is equal to 4 minus 2 xy is u, then bracket 4 minus 3 xy is u bracket. Then from here it will be 41 plus u square is equal to 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times negative 3u, it is negative 12u. Negative 2u times 4, it is negative 8u. Negative 2u times negative 3u, it is positive 6u square. Then we take this u square plus 41 into this side. So we'll start by this, it will be 6u square. This we take to this side, it will be 6u square minus u square, it is 5u square. Then negative 12u, negative 8u, it is negative 20u. Then 41 we take to this side, it will be 16 minus 41, it is minus 25, then is equal to 0. Then in the next step, from this our equation, it is divisible by 5 in every part. So from our equation, which is 5u square minus 20u minus 25 is equal to 0, we divide by 5 in this part, in this part, in this part, and in this part. So from here it will be 5 and 5 will cancel, so it will be this, which is u square. Then minus 20u divided by 5 is minus 4u. Minus 25 divided by 5, it will be minus 5 is equal to this divided by this is 0. Then in the next step, from this quadratic equation, it can be solved by grouping and factorization. So here it will be u square minus 4u is same as plus u minus 5u. u minus 5u is negative 4u. then this minus 5 is equal to 0. Then in the next step, in here u is common, so we take u out of bracket, u squared divided by u is u, then plus u divided by u is 1 bracket. In here we take negative 5 out of bracket, negative 5u divided by negative 5 is u, then negative 5 divided by negative 5 is 1, so it will be plus 1 bracket is equal to this 0. Then in the next step, in here u plus 1 u plus 1 is common, so we take u plus 1 bracket out of bracket, this divided by this is u, this divided by this is this, negative 5 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, whereas this is the first solution, u plus 1 is equal to 0, and this is the second solution, u minus 5 is equal to 0. Then from this first solution we take 1 into this side, it will be u is equal to negative 1, and this will take negative 5 to this side, it will be u is equal to 5. Then we recall before we let u is in here, before we let u it is equal to xy, so from u is u is equal to xy, then it will be xy is equal to this negative 1, and also here u it is xy is equal to this, which is 5. Then in the next step, after we get these two equations, we'll compare with the other equation, whereas the other equation, it is the first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 2. So from the first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 2, and here x plus y is equal to 2. Now from these two solutions, we are going to find the value of x minus y. So as when we get the value of x minus y, we compare with x plus y, and into this other solution we'll get x, the value of x and y. Now to get x minus y, we'll use the algebraic equation, which is x plus y bracket square minus bracket x minus y bracket square is equal to 4xy. Then from here, x plus y it is 2, so in here we'll substitute 2, it will be 2 square, then minus this x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 times xy it is this negative 1, so here times negative 1, then it will be 2 square, it is 4, then minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Then from here we take this 4 into this side, so it will be this, which is negative bracket x minus y bracket square is equal to 4, we take to this side, it will be minus 4 minus 4, it is minus 8. So here we have negative and here we have negative, so it will be positive. Then because we have square here, we'll apply square root in both sides, so this square root will cancel square, then it will be x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 8 is same as 4 times 2, so it will be x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times this square root of 2. Now from here we have the value of x minus y, then we'll compare with this first equation in our problem, x plus y is equal to 2, so we'll use with this x plus y is equal to 2, then we'll solve these multinuous equations. Also into this side we'll use this same algebraic equation, algebraic rule, to find the value of x minus y into this second solution. Now from here x plus y it is 2, so it will be 2 square, then minus this x minus y bracket square, whereas we are going to find x minus y into the second solution, then is equal to 4xy. It will be 4 times xy into the second solution, it is 5. So here it will be times 5. Then it will be 4, which is 2 square, minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 times 5 is 20. Then it will be, this 4 will take to this side, it will be negative bracket x minus y bracket square is equal to 20 minus 4, it is 16. Then we divide by negative 1, and here divide by negative 1. So here to be positive, positive, then it will be this x minus y bracket square is equal to 16 divided by negative 1 is negative 16. Then we apply square root in both sides. So this square root will cancel square, then it will be x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 16, it is 4. Then times square root of negative, which is negative 1, it is I. Now we already get this equation. We'll compare with this equation, which is x plus y is 2. So with x plus y is equal to 2. Now we have this solution and this solution. Now let's start to deal with this solution. In here we have into this solution also we have two cases because of plus or minus. So when x minus y is equal to this positive 2 square root of 2, and this x will compare with this x plus y is equal to 2. And we have the other solution when here it is negative. So it will be x minus y is equal to negative 2 square root, here it is negative 2 square root of 2. Then we compare with x plus y is equal to this 2. Then from here we'll solve this multiplication equation by elimination method. So we'll add these two equations. Then to be x plus x, it is 2x. X negative y plus y, it is 0. Then is equal to this plus this, it will be 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Then we divide by 2 in both sides. So this and this will cancel, it will be x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 2, and this 2 will cancel, so it will be plus square root of 2. Then from here we'll get the value of x. Now to get the value of y into here, we'll take x into this side. So it will be y is equal to 2 minus x. Then it will be y is equal to 2 minus x, it is this, so it will be 1 plus square root of 2 bracket. Then it will be y is equal to, we'll take negative inside the bracket to be 2 minus 1, then minus square root of 2. Then it will be y is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, then minus square root of 2. So when this is the value of x, this is the value of y. And into this second case, in this first solution, we will also solve by elimination method. So we'll add these two equations. Then it will be this plus this is 2x, negative y plus y is 0, then is equal to this plus this, it will be, we'll start with this to be 2, then here it is negative, it will be minus 2 square root of 2. Then we divide by 2 in both sides. This and this will cancel, to be x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1, negative 2 square root of 2 divided by 2, it will be this and this will cancel, so it will be minus square root of 2. Then from here, y is equal to 2 minus x. To find the value of y is equal to 2 minus x, it is this, so it will be 1 minus square root of 2 bracket. Then it will be y is equal to, we open the bracket by negative, it will be 2 minus 1, then here to be plus square root of 2. Then it will be y is equal to 2 minus 1, it is 1, then plus square root of 2. So when this is x, this is y. We got two solutions for x and y. And from this second solution, also here we have two cases. When for this positive, when x minus y is equal to this positive, which is 4i, then we compare with this x plus y is equal to 2. Also in here, when it is negative, it will be when x minus y is equal to negative 4i. We compare this x plus y is equal to 2. Then we solve this by elimination method. So we'll add these two equations. X plus x is 2x. Negative y plus y is 0. Then is equal to 4i plus 2. It is 2 plus 4i. Then we divide by 2 in both sides. So this and this will cancel. Then it will be x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then plus 4i divided by 2, it is 2i. Then to find the, here we have x. To find the value of y is equal to, from y we take x into this side. So it will be y is 2 minus x. So from y is equal to 2 minus x, then it will be y is equal to 2 minus bracket, our x is this 1 plus 2i bracket. Then it will be y is equal to 2, we open the bracket by negative, to be minus 1 minus 2i. So it will be y is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, then this minus 2i. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. And from this second equation, second solution, we'll solve also by elimination method. So we'll add these two equations. Then this plus this is 2x. Negative y plus y is 0. Then is equal to this plus this, it will be 2. Then minus 4i. Then we divide by 2 in both sides. So this and this will cancel. It will be x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1. Minus 4i divided by 2 is minus 2i. Then to find the value of y, from this y is equal to 2 minus x, then it will be y is equal to 2 minus bracket, our x it is this 1 minus 2i bracket. So it will be y is equal to 2, we open the bracket by negative, it will be minus 1, negative and negative to be plus 2i. Then it will be y is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2i. So when this is x, this is y. Therefore, our conclusion, we have four solutions. x1, y1 is equal to, when into here, when x is 1 plus square root of 2, y is 1 minus square root of 2. So 1 plus square root of 2, it will be 1 minus square root of 2. And the second, x2, y2 is equal to, when x is 1 minus square root of 2, y it is 1 plus square root of 2. So bracket 1 minus square root of 2, 1 plus square root of 2, You can see here the interchange. And for the third solution, x3, y3 is equal to, when x is this 1 plus 2i, y it is 1 minus 3, 1 minus, when x is 1 plus 2i, y it is 1 minus 2i. So bracket 1 plus 2i, 1 minus 2i. And for the fourth solution, x4, y4 is equal to, for this solution in here, x is 1 minus 2i, y it is 1 plus 2i. So bracket 1 minus 2i, comma 1 plus 2i. Also in here the interchange, this x, here it is y, this y, x, here it is y. So these are real solutions, these two are real solutions, and these two are complex solutions. So these are our final answers into this our problem. If we just check from the first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 2, we take just this plus this. 1 plus 1 is 2. Square root of 2 plus negative square root of 2 is 0. So you can see here the answer is 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.